Okay, we got the acoustic curtains hung. This is made for movie theaters, home theater rooms. So we got that hung. So now I'm gonna start moving around the furniture. So we'll see how this turns out. So guys, we're getting your audio demonstration of this little video sound system I've been having for a long time. Thinking about updating it, but it still sounds good. So we'll just sit here and listen. And guys, I got this on. This is an LG C1, about 4 or 5 years old now, and it still looks real good. No burn in or anything. This is not the best picture. This is just a sound test I found on YouTube. We'll do another sound test because I just moved my surrounds around. Make sure I got everything set up and calibrated right. I like it. I don't know if it could come through or not on YouTube. After I always change things up, I like to do sound tests, picture tests. Look like it's super bright. I get on Filmmaker. For some reason it's super bright. Stella wants some cuddle, guys, so excuse me. So guys, this is my new setup. I'm still waiting for my movie posters to come in. And after that, it'll be pretty much done. So this is the room I'm going to review TVs in. And new technology and movies. This is my man cave / theater room. But I like this TV. This is the C1. Like 3 to 4 years old now. And looking to upgrade this TV pretty soon to either a G4, C4, or I'll have an OLED. I like OLEDs. Or into a Sony 80, so to a Sony 80L. If I can find a cheap one, I would like to get the Sony A95L, but they want $3,500 just for a 65-inch quantum dot OLED. So this is my man cave update. And please don't forget to like and subscribe.